How do I get list of methods in a Python class? I want to iterate through the methods in a class, or handle class or instance objects differently based on the methods present. How do I get a list of class methods? Also see. How can I list the methods in a Python 2.5 module? Looping over a Python/IronPython object. Methods, finding the methods in object has. How do I look inside a Python object? How do I perform introspection on an object in Python 2.x? How to get a complete list of objects, methods, and attributes? Finding out which functions are available from a class instance in Python?
An example, listing the methods of the opparse.optionParser class. Notice that getMembers returns a list of 2 tuples. The first item is the name of the member, the second item is the value. You can also pass an instance to getMembers.
There is the dir, the object, method to list all the fields and methods of your object, as a tuple, and the inspect module, as codeape write, to list the fields and methods with their doc, in. Because everything, even fields, might be called in Python, I'm not sure there is a built-in function to list only methods. You might want to try if the object you get through dir is callable or not.
Python 3.x answer without external libraries. Dunder excluded result.
Say you want to know all methods associated with list class. Just type the following. Above will give you all methods of list class.
Try the property __dict__.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.